Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Forex Trader. How everyone going today? So today we are trading an alert here called the silver. So we're going to buy silver today. So the reason why we're going to buy silver is that we're looking at trading this to buy. And the reason why we're buying is that because the signal tells us that it's a buy right now. So just look at the 4-hour charts here. We can see here a nice momentum pushing up already here. So it's been since January, early January this year, sitting around $23.92, and then it push up, bullish up here about 21.30, and then retracement come back down to about 24.66. So it went up to about 26.18, come down to 24.63, and just last few days it just shot up to about 27.65, which almost broke that previous high of 27.96 or 27.86 there. So bullish momentum. So we can use the wave calculator here in this blue box here to calculate the stop, the take profit, the entry and exit target. So let's have a look at using that now. So if we want, we can actually draw a low here. This is the previous low, 1, 2, and then next retracements here, and then you see the continued momentum up here all the way up to the top. So we're looking at some sort of retracement coming back down for to continue up. So let's plot a 1, 2, 3. So we can use this one here. 1, 2 is the highest point, and then a retracement at the third point here. So then you can see that you enter the trade within this area here. This is the zone to enter the trade in this area here. So you can do that. Enter the trade here around 26. Any retracement down to here would be nice. So right now it's shooting up. So if tracing down 26th and stay within this area, enter the trade and buy silver. Stop loss will be down here. So stop loss is back to here where the one entry is. Okay, just going to change that to red. Bingo. So there's your stop loss in this area here, just below the blue box, and back here to the 24 mark. So your first target here is 27.31. So let's say enter here, it retraces here at 26. You exit at 27.31, or second target 27.66. Third target here is 28.09. So let's just zoom out a bit so you can see a lot clearer what I mean. So there you go. So now you can see all those exit target there. So you got about 7 exit target here. So it's going to go up to 31.39, which is the last exit of this trade for silver. So before it retraces back down to here to this area here, about 29 area here. So it's going to break through to 31.39. There you go. So there you have it. So we have a buy on silver, and we're just plotting 1, 2, 3 here using the wave calculator to guide us through, tell us where we can exit our trade and where we enter our trade. So hope you enjoyed that highlight alerts for the week. Buy silver. Thanks for watching. We'll see you back shortly.